So speak life to the deadest, darkest night.
Well, hello there again. I thought I'd do a quick update video. I've got all my holes repaired, patched up, smoothed out pretty nice. I did roughly sand them down just a little bit just to get all the bumps out. You don't need much sanding, as you can see. And what we're going to do is do some patch repair. I researched other ways of doing it and factoring in time and costs and everything. I've come up with this here. It's some wall texture. It's commonly available on Amazon and all your home improvement stores and everything like that. I've used it before. It works great. And so just factoring in everything, I figure I'll just go with what I know rather than trying something new and wasting a lot of time. I already did some, practice it out, but what you want to do is you get it and just test it out a little bit on the test piece of cardboard or drywall or whatever. And then all you do is you spray it on just like that. It's kind of so it matches. This stuff is nice because it's blue. You can see where it's at. And then you just blend it in. This one can is a 16-ounce can here. It's water-based. I got oil-based paint, but it's a 16-ounce can. And I did about 11 holes already that I patched up. So it gives you some kind of idea. These are about roughly 12 inches in diameter as far as the hole. So, I mean, it depends on how much you do, but don't go by what the can says. It goes a lot faster than you think. So if you're doing a large wall or something like that, this is probably not the way to go. It's going to cost you hundreds of bucks. But I got 3 cans. Hopefully it'll do all my holes that I've got here where I have textured walls. And then all you do is just wait for it to dry, throw a little touch-up paint on it, and or actually they suggest it's better just to paint the whole wall, so that's probably what I'm going to do, just repaint this room and the other room that I've done. And then we'll go from there. It was a big project, but it was well worth it. Went really fast as far as patching holes is concerned, and when you have a lot of holes to do. So I hope this helps, and a little bit of a follow-up there. So any questions or comments, leave them down below. And I hope to be doing some more home improvement videos as I do things. And remember to make a video and have some little bit of time to do it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye.